Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, disconnected from server with error failed to apply CustomUI HUD commands, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix this error. So the first solution is you're going to go to your Hytale's location. So the default location should be in your roaming folder. So open up run, write app data, go into roaming, go into Hytale, use the data, mods, and then delete everything from the mod folder or just move everything from the mod folder into any other location. So for example in your C drive, and check if that fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then what you can do next is you can open up your web browser, and now you're going to go to these links. I'm going to put both of these links into the description of the video. So first you're going to try this MultipleHUD mod. You're going to click install via app, and then you're going to download this mod on your game and check if that fixes your issue. If it does, then good, but if it still doesn't, then the next thing you can do is you can download this AutoMultiHUD on your game. So this mod is basically another version of this MultipleHUD mod. One of these mods should most definitely work on your game, and that should fix your issue. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.